Started doing more childcare.
Yeah.
And
So did you just put your hand up and say, I'd like to come in and work in there?
Yeah, so they'd ask me sometimes if I wanted to stay in childcare just for a little bit, and then they'd get me to do some office, like some admin stuff, and then I'd come back in here. And then recently I've started coming here the whole day. You have to have a lot of patience when it comes to kids, especially the younger ones. You have to be patient with them.
Can you give me an example of that, of when you've had to do that?
Sometimes we do some activities with the younger ones in the koala room, like the under 2-3-year-olds, like the really young ones. Sometimes it takes them a while to understand, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
you just have to
understand your instructions.
Yeah, and you just have to be patient with them. Sometimes they'll be doing they won't be doing the activity right. Just be patient with them, explain it to them slowly, show them, and then, you just have to have a lot of patience when it comes to the younger kids.
And did you know that you had patience?
Honestly, not really. I didn't think I had a lot of patience, but now I realize I can actually be very patient. I can see myself doing this once I finish school. Like, I can see myself working here full time, working with the kids. Definitely, it's something I see myself doing. And I haven't seen myself doing anything at all, to be honest. I would say I definitely would recommend it, just to experience it. And if they like it, that's good, but it's not for everyone. I know people who have tried it and didn't like it, but yeah, I reckon they should try it. If they're considering it, try it. If they like it, definitely go ahead with it.